Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard and Cookie hiding behind me. She's going to be watching because this is going to be an awesome one. Are you ready for this? And I'll be honest with you, I love this one so much, I'm going to make a card with you, okay? Because this one is awesome. Well, actually, these two are awesome. Are you ready? Are you set? Here we go. It's time for Gingerbread Fold It. Yes! I have been waiting to show these to you for so long. Now, I kind of broke the rules on this one. Are you ready? Don't tell Ken, by the way, because I'm going to have to hear it from him and the accountant. And well, we don't have like a real accountant, but like the guy that does our taxes, I'm going to have to hear from him too. But on these, and I'm going to show you right now. First of all, normally you would see the die itself on the back, right? Whoop, the die. Well, here's the situation. When I designed these, there were too many die pieces, and they had to add an extra card to these. So technically this should cost more because it has more metal involved. But you know what? Don't tell Ken, okay? Promise me you're not going to tell Ken. Everybody cross your heart, put your little fingers. It's the same price as regular Fold It. I know. Because you know me, I'm not about making money. I'm about having fun. And so you know what? Just don't tell anybody at my company, okay? There's no Christmas bonuses this year. I'm kidding. But you're getting extra pieces in this one, like so much more that it's almost double the amount, which is awesome because you know what? It's kind of like my little Christmas gift to you. Again, on the little boy, here, we have this one too. On the little boy, you have an extra card of dies because there's so many dies in this kit, which is fun, and it makes it more fun. Hang on, I gotta show you. Look, you're getting extra dies because they wouldn't fit on the card. And I'm like, you know what? I could either take those out, but then that would be boring, and I wanted you to have all these fun dies. So I just said, okay, my gift to you, same price as always. Club members, your price is even less, of course, which is really awesome. And I have so many awesome samples to share with you. It's just like awesome all around. Let's jump in, and I'm going to even make a card. Okay, so let's get started. Here we have our cute little girl. Look at the frosting embellishments. Okay, is that the most adorable? Now, you don't have to do them in white. Look, you could do them in pink if you wanted. So this, I cannot believe these. I love these so much. I just look at that. Look at that. Gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. Now, you'll remember years ago we had a little Christmas gingerbread set. That was a long time ago. So these are like the mommies and the daddies to those because these are much, much bigger. They're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. They fit in a standard card envelope. And look at that. It's like you could make a whole family. Here's another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see how excited I am about these because they're so fun. And look, you could just make a whole family. Now, I have so many samples, I'm going to have to put those down because I have too many samples to share. But my design team went crazy. You can even add cute little wiggly eyes if you want to. So fun. Now, imagine these with a box it attached to make a little treat box. I didn't have any samples of those, but you could do that as well. You can make him a dark gingerbread or a light gingerbread. Imagine the possibilities. Now, I have more. Look at this. Here's another one. You're going to start getting out all those Christmas paper Christmas papers, and especially the scraps as well. Look at that one holding a candy cane. Isn't that perfect? Cookie, do you see how cute these are? Do you see how cute these are? She likes them too. Okay, now let's look at these. Here we go. Now, if I'm going too fast on these, don't worry. They're going to be on the idea gallery on our website. Here's another one. Oh, holding a banner. Okay, does it get cuter than that? I don't think it does. Now, here's a real banner, and I have a feeling, who made this one? Who made this one? Christine made, oh my goodness gracious, we need to have this up above. Now, what does, I can't even see what it says. It says sweet. Oh, okay, does it get better than this, right? Am I right? Oh my gosh, I love these. I love the banners. And don't forget, all of our Fold It dies will fit on our banner shapes. Now, I gotta put that off to the side, and I gotta be gentle with that because I don't want anything to happen to it. Now, oh, I have one more to share with you before I get to play. Now, this one uses the cute little, look, you can see the difference in size, okay? So this was our club set one year, and look at how much bigger this one is. So fun. But this one, oh my word. Okay, there are no words to this one because it is so cute, Vanessa. Look at that. Imagine this is your Christmas card. Now, it will take a bigger envelope, but hello, you will be the talk of the town if you design this for your Christmas card. Too cute for words. Okay, I get to play. Yes, I don't get to play very often, so I'm gonna play today. So I'm gonna grab my machine over a little bit. Now, how do you make a folded card? We're going to make that. We're going to take a piece of cardstock and we're going to fold it in half. Easy peasy. Then we're going to get one of our bone folders or even a scraper. I prefer the scrapers, and I like to really press down on that. The scrapers come with our bone folder, and of course it's pink, so it's even better. Now I'm taking that fold, here's my fold right here, and we're going to make a little boy. I'm going to take the largest piece of the die, the largest die, and on the back it'll tell you where to place the fold. So if you want it to be up at the top, it'll say place fold here. If you want it to be on the side, it'll say place fold here. I'm going to have this one be on the side, on the top. So I'm going to lay that down, and I'm just going to have a little tiny bit showing. You can see, I hope you can see. I'm going to exaggerate it at first so you can really see. Then I'm going to bring it in just a little bit right there, and then I'm going to run that through. Now this is 2 layers of cardstock, so I'm going to run it back through as well. Now these dies will work on any machine that you already have. We're going to run that through, and we're going to run this back through. Can you tell how excited I am? I'm so excited about this one. Okay, so here we have the little, oh my goodness gracious. I just want to, save that. Whoop, we don't need that piece. Okay. Now we have our cute little card base. See? So cute, so cute. Now we get to decorate him. So that's our shadow die. Now for the smaller die, we're going to grab this one, and we're going to grab a lighter color cardstock. So I'm going to grab this one, and we're just going to die cut him as normal. Cutting pad. I always lose my cut. Here's one. So we're going to run this through. Now I know you never lose your cutting pad at home, right? Right? Yeah, we're all laughing right now, aren't we? Okay. Now I know when I talk to the video camera, I know you sometimes answer me, but you need to answer a little louder so I can hear you, okay? I sometimes just crack myself up. Okay. Oh, before we attach this guy, I want to ink him. So I'm going to grab a piece of scratch paper, and I'm going to use my new brushes, which is really exciting. So this is my brown, and I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to grab some ink, and we're going to start off here, and I'm just going to ink around the edges just to make him look like he's been baked in the oven, right? We just want to make him look like he's baked in the oven. So we're just going to rub these on there. These are our new picket fence brushes, which are really fun. Line those up just like that. Just going to go around. I'm kind of going in a circular motion. I start off the paper and then I kind of go on the paper when I'm doing the edges, because I just want to make sure I don't get too much ink in one spot. So I'm just going to add a little bit. There's no wrong way to ink, and you can see that it's a little bit more on this side, but I like that because that's how when you make cookies, it's not perfectly around the edges, right? It's going to be a little bit darker in one side than the other side, and just kind of finish it off. Just kind of rub it around. There we go. Ooh, look at that. And then what's fun is when you look at the paper, you're like, woo, look at that. Awesome. Now, we have our cute little guy here. We're going to add some adhesive to him. I can see this making so many fun banners, and I'm telling you, with the box it die to make him a box. Okay, so we're gonna lay him in here just like that. Notice it goes all the way around. Now we get to decorate, and there's all these darn dies. Look how fun this is. So we could put clothes on him if we want to. I'm not gonna put clothes on him. I think I'm gonna actually do, let's see, a bow tie, and I'm gonna do some little dots, and of course we need icing, right? Now, on this icing, as you can see, it's very, very intricate. What we're going to do is we're going to grab some of our adhesive sheets, because there is no way in the world you want to try to glue those down after you cut them out. So I'm going to peel off the back of this, stock up on your adhesive sheets. You don't ever want to run out. Now, when I turn this over, I don't remember where that adhesive sheet is. Do you? Ooh, where is it? Where is it? When you die cut, you're not going to know. It's just going to mess you up. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn this over, and you're going to trim where that adhesive sheet is. So now you know this is all adhesive paper. We're going to lay that down, and we're going to get our cute little die. Where's my little frosting die? I already lost it. Here it is. We're going to get that die down with all that frosting, and then I'm going to add, we got to add the face, but I want the face to be dark. So I'm going to grab some dark cardstock, and I'm going to grab another adhesive sheet and peel that up. And this is what I do when I have scratch paper to do this with. So I'm going to lay this down right there as close as I can, And then what I'm gonna do, ooh, don't touch that part. I'm gonna just tear that. See how easy that is? And then I'm gonna add this to the back over here. Just like, well, actually I don't wanna waste any of it, so I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna, again, trim right here. You'll notice I don't use scissors very often and I don't use a trimmer very often. There we go. Now, most of this is good to go. Now, just to be careful, I don't wanna accidentally die cut over here, so I'm gonna just kind of pull that off just a little. There we go. So we're gonna lay this down and we're gonna lay this down. We're gonna get that face. And I think we're gonna also use the cute little buttons on the dark brown. And you know what? I'm kind of thinking we need to use a little bit of red. So let's grab some red. And because this is just a little one, I'm just gonna grab a little piece right here. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna lay that down and we're gonna run that through. Easy peasy. Now that's a lot of blade, and because I'm on video, it never goes well when you're being taped or being watched. So I always go back through just to make sure it's all cut. There's nothing worse than going poke, 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 poke on all the videos. Now what we have these fun little dots. Poke those through. So we have the little, and you know what? These always kind of cook a little bit on camera. So let's see if I can peel these up. There we go. So we're going to peel the backs off of all these, and we're going to add these little guys right there. So there's one little button. Let's move that over so you can see better. And this is going to take some time. There we go. There's two little buttons. And look at this. Look how cute this little guy is going to be. 3 little buttons, just like that. And then we got to add his little face. Now, I could have ran this through and then it would have cut out the face. See how it would have cut out the face? But I chose not to do that. I actually prefer to have that little piece stuck. I like to have a real piece cut out. So we're gonna poke those out, and get that guy out. And here's my little smiley face. And now that I have nails on, it does not make my life easier. There we go. So, oh, get out of the way. Okay, so here we add, oh, look our cute little happy face. So there's our little happy face, and let's see if we can get these off easy. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, one there. Now you play, oh, get that, hey, don't look over there, that's not in the right spot. Okay, and then add our little one. Now we get to decorate with our frosting. Now the frosting's fun because I kind of made it in different lengths. Well, I mean, I didn't kind of, I did. I made it in different lengths so you can decide what you want to do. So here I have, oh, and my heart, don't forget the heart. Let's see, I don't know if I'm gonna use the heart or not. Let's see, I haven't decided yet. Move over. So let's peel this up. I haven't decided if I'm gonna, oh, I didn't put any backing on that one. Darn it, I forgot. So I'm not gonna use that one because I don't wanna spend time. Okay, so let's see. So we have different frostings, and let's, ooh, I wanna add some to his arms and legs. I mainly decorate the arms and the legs with these because I figure that's like the most important. And see, it never, oh, there we go. Okay, so let's see. I think this one was built for his leg. Let's see, I want to do it like right here. So I'm going to actually trim it off. So you know me, I don't want to spend time to find my scissors. So I just trimmed it like that. Look at that. Does it get better than that? Nope, it doesn't. It doesn't, it doesn't. So there's another one that matches. That backing came off easy. And I'm just going to line this up right here. And I'm just going to trim it. So what I'm doing to trim it fast is I'm holding it right, I'm like with my nail, right where I want it to cut. And I'm just kind of trimming it. Or if you want, you can get your scissors. Fine. I have my cute little fine scissors. I might as well use them. So I'll get my little scissors and trim it. There we go. And so there's my cute little, oh, I want that down further. Can I pick it up? Let's see if I can pick it up. That adhesive kind of is good, so I might not be able to pick it up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I want it down a little further. There we go. Okay, so there we have my little frosting. I want to do little hands. So we're going to add little, oops, we're going to add little hands to this. Of course, I picked like an intricate die to share with you today, but that's okay. It's worth it. It is worth it, my friends. So there we're adding the little, oh my word. Are you kidding me? Is this guy the cutest little guy you've ever made in your life or what? Now, Club members, of course you're getting the club discount on these. If you're not in the club, you need to join because you'd be saving 15%. And I don't know what else to tell you about that, but who doesn't want to save money, right? Okay, is this the cutest little guy you ever saw in your life? How fast was that, right? Oh my word, he is adorable. I love him, I'm gonna marry him. Cookie, look how cute my little Cookie is. Do you like it? Give a kiss. It gets the Cookie seal of approval. So if Cookie likes it, everyone's gonna like it. Oh my word, go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Club members, yes, you're getting the club discount. It doesn't get better than that. If you're not in the club, you have to join. I don't even know what else to say. That's so fantastic. And look at all my fun samples. If I went too fast on any of the samples, don't worry, you can go check them out on our gallery on our website at thestampsoflife.com. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.